Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up reminders in ClickUp so you can stay on top of deadlines, meetings, and important tasks without letting a single thing slip through the cracks. If this is helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. ClickUp reminders are one of those features that quietly make a huge difference to your day. Unlike tasks, reminders are lightweight. They don't require a list or a project. They're just a quick nudge tied to your account that shows up right when you need it. Perfect for following up on an email, jumping on a call, or remembering to review a document before a big meeting. To get started, open ClickUp and log into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're inside your workspace. This is the main environment where all your work lives, and reminders sit at the workspace level, so you'll want to confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Now look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your account icon, your profile avatar or initials, depending on how your account is set up. Click on it. A menu will drop down and you're looking for the option to create a reminder. In some versions of ClickUp, it's labeled clearly as Create Reminder, and in others, it sits within a Notifications or Personal panel section. Either way, it's tied to that same upper right account area, so take a moment to look around if you don't spot it straight away. Once you click it, a Reminder Creation panel opens up. The first thing to do is enter a title. Make it specific and actionable. Instead of something vague like check in, write something like follow up with client about proposal. That specificity is what makes a reminder actually useful when it pops up, rather than leaving you wondering what you meant when you wrote it. From there, add any additional details you want to include. This could be notes, a link to a relevant document, or a name and number you'll need. Anything that helps you take action the moment the reminder fires. The goal is to have everything you need right there, so you're not scrambling to find context after the fact. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a reminder in ClickUp and taken one more step toward a more organized, on top of it workday. Give this video a like if it helped, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you there.